Folks, we have a little pre-show demonstration happening here for you. This is the Amphibious Transformer vehicle, also known as the Atasd. It is made by Interconn Development Ltd. Out of Markham, Ontario, and originally designed for search and rescue purposes. Atasd combines the best features of hovercrafts and airboats. As I mentioned, Interconn Development is a Canadian company based in Markham, Ontario. The company was founded in 2009 and it specializes in the development and production of Atasd search and rescue amphibious air cushion vehicles. The company owns facilities and equipment suitable for R&D and small-scale production. Interconn Development Ltd. is backed up by the strategic partner Canadian Aerospace Parts and Components Manufacturing Plant, Discharge Limited. Atasd, or Amphibious Transformer with Air-Static Discharge, is an innovative patented 7-seating amphibious search and rescue air cushion vehicle with the enhanced operating capabilities. It flies over water, as you can see here today, also over ground, snow, ice, mud, and grass, as well as light vegetation and other surfaces. The Atasd concept combines the best properties of air cushion vehicles, airboats, inflatable rafts, and multi-hull vessels. There are three major features of Atasd concept. The first one is flexibility. Innovative spring-type tubing frame is the main invented and patented feature used in the Atasd. It has an unbeatable advantage over metal or composite hulls by stretching stress loads and G-forces in 3 dimensions throughout the frame structure. This is an essential feature for the amphibious vehicle working in harsh, rough terrain full of debris and dangerous obstacles along the way. 3 inflatable, flexible skegs attached to the flexible frame provide an excellent shock absorption. This makes the flight of the Atasd vehicle very comfortable, safe, and not traumatically shaky for the pilot and passengers on board at any speed or on any surface. Another major feature of this vehicle is its stability. Statically inflated pressure-controlled side and middle skegs instead of a skirt hold an air cushion underneath and provide unprecedented stability at all Atasd modes. Now this feature brings as well a very easy handling and perfect vehicle maneuverability at any speed and payload on board. And our driver here today is doing an excellent demonstration of that maneuverability. Inflatable skegs and a spring-type frame combined in one structure bend like an airplane wing caught into turbulence, preventing bow or a side of the Atasd from diving into the wave in an unforeseen critical situation. Now this solution protects Atasd from flipping over and eliminates a major problem inherent in classic skirted air cushion vehicles. The third distinctive feature of this Atasd is the highest safety rating that it has. Huge buoyancy of inflatable skegs, frame flexibility, and low center of gravity ensure the safe operation of